Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. It is a 2026 Venture Sienna, model number 251VRB. So let's get started. The length on this Sienna is 30 feet. The dry weight is 6,190. The hitch weight is 630 with a GVWR of 8,800 pounds. Now the cargo capacity, this is where it got me. 2,610 pounds. That is a lot of cargo.
Whew. Oh, guys, I'm gonna tell you, this one impressed me. And at this point, as long as we've been doing this, bumper pulls don't always impress me very much, but this one kind of gave me a little bit of a surprise. This is by Venture RV, and in case you didn't know, their parent company is KZ. We personally own a KZ product and can attest that they are marvelous.
And also, this one sounds like it might be good for a half ton, but I'm going to say you might want to check it. 8,800 pounds you're pulling.
Always double check your specs on that. Make sure that you can tow safely with it. Not just because you can, but make sure it's safe. We're going to start right up front. This one is going to have a power tongue jack. Of course, your propane will go under that cover, and I really like the way they did their battery tray down here. It actually has some little extra supports under it. I think our pass-through is locked.
Yeah, we'll have to look at it through the other side.
All right.
City water and fresh water.
Right there. This is going to give you a rack and pinion slide.
Cable connection.
Yeah,
right up here
at the front. And you have a dump area right here. Now it is under a slide, but this is a pretty good sized slide. Actually, you probably won't have a whole lot of problem getting to it with the slide out. So you got a couple of windows up here. We absolutely love the Sienna, the way they do their sides. It looks really, really nice. Yes.
Kind of prepped a little bit for your slide topper.
Semi-prepped, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
You are going to have another dump area here at the back.
Now this is very impressive. It is a 50 amp camper. So you've got 2 AC units on this one.
Yes, 2 ACs and 30 feet. Now that's pretty good. Looking at the back, you do have a ladder here. It is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You're going to have a spray port there. Your spare is going to go right there. And let's see, let me show you these. You are going to have power stabilizers, and Venture gives you, they're independently, so each side has its own button.
Like tank flush.
It's on the campsite. That's a little bit, so just keep that in mind whenever you pull up to the dump station or need to hook up.
I have, well, just say it's just better located back this way instead of way
Instead of at the front, yes, absolutely.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. There is going to be a 20-foot power awning, so that's pretty much going to cover your entire campsite. Coming up here, we'll show you this side of the pass-through. Sorry about the other side being locked. But as you can see, actually pretty good space in here. It is going to be already prepped for your tire pressure monitoring system.
Ooh.
And so this is the outside, which is a nice clean white with a little bit of a gray. It's kind of overcast today, guys. I'm sorry that we can't really, it's not going to show up as well, but let's go take a look at the inside. We are trying really hard to beat the rain today.
This is a really cool floor plan.
This is a really good floor plan. And I'm going to be honest, if we were looking for a first-time camper all over again, this would definitely be one that I would put on my list.
Now, if you don't like this arrangement that's in here,
yes,
you do have options. You can order the theater seating with this
with a booth like it is,
or you can do an actual theater seat with a table, chair, and a bench. Or you can do a king U-shaped dinette.
Yeah, which would take up the whole thing. So you have some options in here. I'm gonna be honest. If I were ordering it for the two of us, I would have theater seat, and I would have the table with the chairs and a bench.
Bench, yes.
That's the way that I would order it because I'm not a fan of the booth. But that's a personal preference. So, you know, it's like belly buttons. Everybody's got one.
But it's one of those things where if you see it on the lot, and if you don't really like how they, hey, you can order this thing.
You have options.
Yes.
Always talk to your dealer about that. All right. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get started with the actual camper. Coming in the door, you're going to have this wonderful space right here as you come in. That is, you can use that as part of your kitchen storage, or, I mean, if you're like I do and you bring a purse with you, stash that sucker right in there and it'll be out of the way.
Now,
excuse me, guys.
This is impressive.
This is an amazing pantry area, and you'll see that it is also prepped for washer dryer, so you could do a combo unit in here. You could do stackable, but you're going to lose all of your shelves if you do that. But hey, the option's yours. It's there however you want to do it.
Yep.
Your controls are right here, and I love that they give you buttons and not a screen that's going to go out on you. You have some USB and C right there as you come in the door. You've even got your little portable speaker that you can take in and out as you need it. But this one just amazes me. I'm not even sure where to start. Let me point out, there's an AC unit right up there. So we'll just go ahead and go into the kitchen.
The one thing that I had to look for is your plug-in is up under here with your light.
But yeah, you got a big storage area next to your microwave. You are going to have a 3-burner cooktop and an oven in this one. But under your sink, you've got drawers because you had that great open space on the other side. So you see that there's some under cabinet lighting in here. Now this is Venture, which is a KZ product, so the vents, your heating vents, are going to be in the floor in this one. Not solid surface countertops, but you've got some great space there. And Venture is amazing about giving you these cutting boards. That just comes standard with theirs. I do love that they give you an oven. Sometimes in these units, we're seeing some now that they leave the oven out, but you do have an oven in this one. Your 12-volt compressor fridge over here, the fridge is on the top with the freezer on the bottom. And then your fuses are going to be underneath. And I was trying to look to see how wide this slide out is. You may still be able to get to your fuses if you pull the slide in.
Yes.
You might have to shimmy over the end of the countertop.
But I don't know if you'll be able to get to the bathroom.
Yeah, may not be able to get to the bathroom, but so that is something to consider. Now, like we said before, here is your dinette. There's storage underneath it. It will make into additional sleeping if you need to, and then you have options on this. So if you don't like the booth dinette, always talk to the dealership, see if they can get it ordered for you with the other options. Your theater seating is going to be here in this slide, and again, they give you these really big windows with the pleated shades. So your theater seating is going to have some charging here in the middle. You've got cup holders. It's going to have heat and light in it. And then when you turn around and have a seat here, that's going to put you right in front of your entertainment center. So this one has got a 40-inch TV. There is a little bit of a mantle ledge there. And then you have this super nice electric fireplace. And then there's just a little space under it. So if you wanted to kick your shoes off, you could slide them right under there and they would be out of the way. All right. I am really liking this living area in here. So let's go toward the front.
Ooh.
So the bedroom in this one is going to be kind of your traditional front bedroom. You've got lots of storage up above. Then on each side, you're going to have hanging and an open area, and that's going to be the same on both sides. Then up here at the head of the bed, you have got power and USB, which is going to be on both sides. And then you see that you do have a little open cubby area, so if you have a CPAP or just need somewhere to put your glasses or phone, you can put them right there.
Yes.
You are going to have your second AC unit in here because this is a 50 amp camper. And then here at the foot of the bed, you have even more storage. So you've got this hanging area, and then you've got this spot down here, and then a couple of more places to put shoes.
And a big shout out to Miss Green, who likes these Siennas.
Yes.
And she has dresses, so there's just more hooks.
Yeah, so not only do you have this great closet, you do have these hooks in here. So a great place to hang stuff as you're getting ready. Yeah, you got your controls right there. Now let me turn around because I need to show you something else. If you want to add your TV in here, it's going to go right over here, right up above the window, so all your connections are in place. And there is storage underneath. And like I pointed out earlier, your heating is going to be in the floor in this, but I do like the newer vent covers. Now ours are the old standard looking ones.
And this is a true queen.
It is a true queen, a 60 by 80, and you do have lights up there, so
awesome.
Well done. And then you actually have space to walk around it, which is really good. All right, we're not finished. Hold on. We know we have several subscribers who like a rear bath.
Yes.
So.
And this one is fantastic.
For you guys, here you go. It is a really well done bathroom. We really, really like this one. So, I mean, straight on, you're going to have your foot flush toilet. It is porcelain. I mean, you've got more than enough leg room in here. Plenty of room. Now, this shower.
30 by 36.
Yeah, and there is a skylight. So, I mean, we pointed it out. Jeremy's 6 feet tall. So, yeah. And there's not a very big step up to get into this one, so very easy.
I'm loving these new controls.
Yeah, those are different than ours.
Yeah.
Well, of course now we've been camping in ours for 6 years. I mean, there's been several changes since then.
Ooh.
You have an excellent linen storage over here. It's actually a little bit wider than some of them you see. Something I think I've pointed out in some other videos, if you wonder about how to store stuff in these deep ones, we use shoe boxes in ours because it's great to put those smaller cleaning items or extra soap or stuff like that. And you can just slide that thing right in there, and then it's easy to pull back out. You do have a little window back here at the back, so you can have some ventilation if you need it.
Gosh.
And then they give you 2 medicine cabinets with doors, and then you have an open space in the middle for some storage. Nice big sink, lots and lots of counter space, and then you have all of this great storage underneath that area.
And something else that I see right off the bat, they do good on their plumbing. Look at there, folks.
Yes. So for those who follow a certain person who likes to point out plumbing, we won't call his name, but this one's done very well and done correctly. All right, as you can see, this is definitely going to get our Golden Plunger Award. We are affiliates with Liquefied, so if you guys have any issues with your tank smells or either black tank or gray tank, they have treatments for both. They have wash and wax products, which are absolutely amazing. They have toilet bowl cleaners, and
they have roof cleaner.
Yeah.
I mean, it's everything.
So get on their site, check out what they've got. We have that site linked down in our description below. We also have a 15% off coupon code. Please, guys, take advantage of that. It's good for you and it's good for us.
And one more thing, they do have a vent fan. It's over here.
Yes.
And 2 AC
2
vents.
AC units.
Goodness.
Yes, and then your heating's going to be right down there. So, I mean, come on.
Wow.
This one's
This one
good.
is fantastic. All right, everybody. If you like this Venture Sienna, the dealership's information is down in our description. Like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Follow along with us because you never know where we'll be next. And 15%, check everything out down in the description. All right. Thanks, everybody.